Hey guys, so today we are making some slime. So I got some white glue. It's the only one we need. White glue, some Elmer's Magic Liquid, or if you don't have that, you can use baking soda and contact solution. And then for color, you can either use paint, you can use food coloring, wherever you want. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna start by pouring some glue in here. And obviously you need somewhere to mix. Okay. And then you need something to mix with. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go. What color should I do? I'm gonna go get some more colors. Okay guys, so I got this blue and I think I'm gonna do blue. And just so I don't get any food coloring on. Shoot. Just so I don't get any glue on my hands. Food coloring on my hands. I'm gonna use this popsicle stick. I guess that's what I'm starting with too. Yeah, definitely not starting with this anymore. Hopefully I don't get it on my PJs. I'm gonna PJs right now. Okay. I want to make a cute light glue, but I don't want to add too much. It's gonna be so hard to start with. Okay, I'm gonna go get another spoon. Okay guys, so I got my spoon. It's time to start. Oh my gosh, this is so much easier. This is such a pretty color, or maybe Easter. I don't like it. Pastel colors just remind me of Easter. Just gonna get all closer. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go see if there's some shaving cream I can use. Okay, so this isn't the usual shaving cream that we would use for slime, but I do want to make my slime really fluffy, and it's the only thing we have, so. I'm not gonna use a lot because this is my dad's shaving cream. Okay. Ooh. I think it's also good because his shaving cream smells so good. I got some of my add-ins. Just gonna let it fluff up a little bit. That one fluffed up a little bit. This one, you have to fluff it up yourself. Well, not really fluff it up yourself, but you get what I mean. You got it, but whatever. Okay. Stir it up. Stir it up. It smells so good. Okay. So, now we're gonna have some Elmer's Magical Liquid. You can get this at your at Michael's, Target. Starting to activate. I remember I used to be obsessed with slime. I still am, but not when I was younger. My friend and I used to make YouTube videos, and we used to fake YouTube videos, making slime, you know. Before I had my YouTube channel. I'm just going in with my hands now. And it's not activated, but that's alright. Just gotta get it in with your hands. Trust me. You might want to do this outside or a room where nobody cares about it. That wasn't a good idea. Okay. Sometimes I put it on my hands just so I can get that activated. Should have done it for before I did that, but don't worry, because then this activates. You just gotta boom, kind of off my hands. I'm making a YouTube video.
Making it slime, no work yet.
Okay. That's my mom. So it goes to be activated. And I'm gonna see when it's activated. Ugh. Okay, so it's pretty much activated. And look at that. ASMR for you. Okay. But like, I feel like if you buy like homemade, if you buy store made slime, it's like either over-activated or under-activated. Like, you rarely get like a perfectly activated slime from the store, like store-bought, store-made, bought-made, or whatever. But like, homemade slime, look at that. Homemade slime is so, like, you can make it however you want. Okay, I'm gonna add some add-in. Usually you wouldn't add this stuff in, but, I mean, it's the only add-in I could find, but whatever. I don't have any glitter. Sure, but I don't. So they have these little, like, beads. Pretty cool, if you ask me. Ooh, they don't go with the color. They don't go with the blue, but you know what? I don't care. It's not like I'm like selling these or something. Okay, sorry. My mom was blow drying her hair, so I had to pause it. But like, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but I mean, wait. So like, you can barely even see the little add-ins. I mean, you can, but like, barely. But I want to get like good add-ins. Okay, let's try and make it cool. Now we make it in this closed space. Okay, just gonna like put that aside and clean this. I'm using literally a Clorox thing. I'm using a Clorox thing to hold it up. So. And I need the Clorox to clean this table. You guys can't tell I'm outside. It's like really windy out here. But here we go. Ooh, I just dropped all the glue here. Oh, that's delightful. Okay. So this is my art studio, guys. I'm in my art studio. It's this little like balcony sort of thing that my parents have outside the room. Here, put a little activator where the tape, like where I'm gonna put the slime. Look how jiggly that is. Okay, bubble time. So I bought this store-bought slime and it was like really overactivated. Well, not like really overactivated, but like not as good as this one, because this one like just keeps on stretching and stretching and stretching. And like, it's not because it's underactivated, it's because it's activated perfectly. Gonna add a little more activator here. There we go. Slime might get a little dirty, but that's okay. I don't know why, but I just like love the sound of slime, like the sound of wind. Ready? Okay, this like, you make a little tiny bubble, and make a hole right there. Take it, put a thin layer. I don't think you guys can hear that one, but like, it's crunchy. Wait, let's see. Just need a thin layer. And then we satisfying. So satisfying. You guys can't tell, I have an Elf on the Shelf. I have Elf on the Shelf PJs, and it is like 1 o'clock, and I had to wake up at 5:50 to go to the softball game, because yes, I do play softball. And I wanted to come back into my PJs, so. I love the sound of slime. Oh, I don't want to. It popped, and it just sinks in, and I can just do that. I love slime. Slime time for everybody. Like, if y'all don't like slime, you're a little weird. No, I'm just kidding. I love y'all. I made another bubble. Oh, I have like this special thing. I mean, maybe everybody knows it, but like, go like this. Oh, that wasn't good. No rips, please. Okay, and then I go like this, and I go like this, and like this, and then go like this. Okay, first, I forgot to do this. Like that, and then go like this, and then boom, and then you bring it down. Ooh. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.